Riverside farm. We're here to pick up some fresh hops. I'm gonna brew Mosaic fresh hop beer. So right now we're waiting for Austin. He's one of the owners and managers up here.
So here we have a fresh load of Mosaic right from the field. We're harvesting just right down the road. You see there's a lot of stones here on these vines. Yeah, these are we're towards the end of this variety, so these hops are pretty ripe right now. They're full of lupulin. Not much petal moisture. They're drying very nice, and that's some amazing aromatics right now. Down to a perfect 10% moisture, we'll transfer them into this building and they'll sit here in these piles for 24 hours. They'll kind of homogenize and soak up any other humidity, which will account for in the drying process. Some of these hops will pick up moisture, especially on some of these foggy days and that. After they're done conditioning, we'll scoop them up with this tractor here, put them into this pit, and they'll transfer up another conveyor that will be weighed out into 100-pound loads that will be entered into the bale chamber. The press will make 2 smashes and we'll have a hot bale. So this is dried product here. These are dried mosaics. They're cooked down to a perfect 10% moisture, I'm sure. So this is where the magic happens. All the moisture is out. When they enter the kiln, they're at about 70% moisture. When they come out of the kiln, they're hopefully at about 10%. A lot of the petals have lost a lot of their water moisture, and it's just condensed oil and really intense aroma.
Yeah, when I was brewing, when I added those to the wort, it just smelled so perfumey. You know, the whole brewery smells so good for the whole day. Which is a shame because all that good stuff just kind of leaves the beer, right?
Yeah.
Only part of it stays in.
I think they're sticky. About maybe 2,500 pounds of pressure through a hydraulic ram here that's holding this down. After the bale has been compressed and the hops have been weighed out, we'll fold this down and we'll sew these 2 pieces of plastic together. After the bale has been sewed, we'll release the pressure and finish sewing up the top of the bale back.
Straight to your brewery within a few hours. We're really lucky here in Oregon on the west coast when we grow a lot of hops, and being able to bring super fresh hops and put in the kettle within a few hours from the harvest. The aroma and smell in the brewery is just unforgettable. It's very perfumey, it's very potent, it's amazing. There's a little bit of that green flavor to it, just coming from like the whole hop plant. Just this specific combination of like flavor and aroma that you won't find in any other beer that uses dried hops.